How to track your level in Candy Crush Saga. Open Candy Crush Saga. Look at the main map screen. When the game loads, it's open the map view. This colorful part shows all the levels and episode you have played. The level you are currently on is the one with the big blinking icon or your avatar standing on. That's your current level number. The previous level will have stars and upcoming one will be locked or grayed out. Scroll or zoom out to see progress. This lets you scroll through the levels and episodes you have completed. You can even tap older level to replay for the better score or extra stars. Also, if you connect to your Facebook or King's account, your level is also synced across device, so you never lose your spot. And that's it. Now you know how to track your levels in Candy Crush Saga like a pro. Tell us your current levels in the comment. Like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more sweet Candy Crush tips. See you in the next one.